Hi folks, Luca, SharperTrades market today went the SPY 503.50 and then pull back. This one is printing a indecision with the 3MA super tight stop or support and the 80MA further down. So let's see if this one opens lower. It will pull back and retest the 80MA, that's a support, and then below that 492. As long as price remains above 492, this is good. Could be, just a gentle consolidation before it gets the next push up to 409, 4849. If it breaks below the 80MA and then eventually breaks and doesn't recover below 492, then it's going to pull back further with a retest of the 486, 480, and then 50 SMA. Bottom line, as long as price remains above the 80MA short-term bullish trend, and then mid-term above the 50 SMA blue line, also bullish trend. So depending on your strategies, swing trading, position trading, or investor, use these moving averages to guide you. For the moment, this again an indecision. Airbnb is breaking out. This one is an investment, and today a possibility of a swing. Let's see if this one breaks through the 154 currently holding, post market down slightly, and so the breakout point is 153.38 at the moment holds. The targets here are 164, channel top 171, and then 180. Support the 150 and 152, and today low 148. On top, discussed past couple of days, base above the 50 SMA breakout yesterday, Friday, and today extending is still below the 92, let's see, 91.60 level. The target is here, 92.50, and then I'm looking for 96 and triple digit. That's my level, 100. Earnings at the end of the month, so there's still 2 weeks time for extension. Fingers crossed it gets there before. Support 80MA and 88. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses, all my trading services, and access to the trading room. A package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1, or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.